This isn't the best trim I've done. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. Okay, mane. Pull it forward, push it all the way forward from the neck, all the way around. You're feeling a bit of an awkward mare today. And then where you put your lining for your pants, you scissor straight up and across. Straight line. Keep going all the way around. Keep combing so it's nice and combed through and even. I can't see because the table's too high. Straight down, straight across, straight down. When it comes to the underneath, hold up, comb down. And I can't see very well, a straight line. All the way around. Then drop. She's been a bit of a pain, as I say. And then comb forward. And that's the start of your mane. So as simple as that. You can blend in. Just use an angle or a curved scissors and just gently blend in. Right, doing the bottom part, this one's side's not very good because I'm at the wrong angle. Remember, the bottom of the mane shouldn't be lower than the elbow. So you find the point of the elbow, I use a comb. So any hair under there that you see is taken off. Do it as a round, keep in mind a round ball from there to the chest. So I'm just going to do this side. Just keep in mind, not lower than the elbow. Combing. Small amounts only. I'm just going to turn around for you so you can see this side. And there you can see the coat. Level with the elbow. So you just keep going round, small bits at a time. There's no need to try and do it all in one go. Blend in. And keep going. And that is very simple how to do the mane. Obviously she needs a lot more work, but that's the basic principle. Comb forward, straight line round, comb back. Bottom of the mane reaches the level of the elbow, no lower. Hope that helps.